I'm out at the dog park and I'm here by myself. It's about 8:30 p.m. It's a little bit dark. There's nobody here but me and my dog. And I'm hearing these weird noises coming out of this swamp over here. I don't know what the hell that noise is. I never heard shit like that in my life. Do you guys know what that is? It's just a little pond. Some really weird noises coming out of here. Sounds like something's over here communicating to something over here. Whatever it is, there's two of them. Wow. I don't know what that can be. I don't know if it's in the water or on the shore. I don't know if it's picking up for you guys, if you can hear it or not. There's Hannah. She don't know what the hell's going on either. We both kind of looked at each other like, what the hell? If any of you guys know what that could be, let me know. Leave a comment below. It doesn't sound like a frog. And it's deep, and now it seems like it's moving around. I heard it over there, now it seems like it's over there. So it might be something running around the shoreline. It's not a coyote. Now it seems like it's over here. What the fuck? I'm surrounded by something. It's a deep... See, I can't tell if you guys are picking that up or not. It's a really deep noise. Shit. Oh, there's something over here. I'm going to circle around and I'll try to get more footage. Okay, we circled around. It's about 8:45. And my dog does not want to come over here. She's freaked out. She's staying behind. Here she comes now. You can tell she looks real sheepish. She was walking with her ears down. I don't know if it's a wild pig. I mean, it might be a boar, because I think it's on the shoreline over there, and I don't want to approach a boar because they're very dangerous. It has a loud grunt. I think it's too big to be a bird. Deer don't make that kind of noise. I've lived in Wisconsin my whole life, and I've been outdoors, an outdoorsman my whole life. I don't remember ever hearing that noise. So I'm hoping maybe one of you guys may know. Somebody might recognize that sound or whatever. Whatever it is, there's a couple of them. There's more than one for sure. There may be 2 or 3. See, there's one over here. The one I heard just previously was over here, and then I heard one over here. So there's at least 2 or 3. And they're moving around pretty quick. If I die out here, you guys can split up my Blu-rays. You guys can share them, split them up evenly. Whatever it is, it's not in the water. It's on the edge of the water. She does not want to come over here. There she is. Oh, watch out, be careful. Okay guys, there's not a whole lot to show you, I guess. I don't think I'm going to see anything. I just wanted to let you guys hear the noises. I'd like to figure this out. What kind of animal could be making that noise? If anybody knows, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.